Today I'm gonna show you how to begin multimedia programming with the arsd library. This is the library. I will give you the link in the description so you can download it. And we are using the D programming language. You have to download the image of a cat. We're gonna make this cat move in the screen. Let's start. First, we type the code. We are going to import these two modules. And now we have to create first the memory image. It will get the file with the image and load it into memory. Notice the file has to be in the same folder of the source code. And now we create the window 800 by 800 pixels in size with the name cat game. And now we create the real image. We use the memory image to create the real image that we can show in the screen. And we have now to create a location where the cat will appear. Now we start the event loop. Refreshing at each 200 milliseconds. Let's create the painter. Let's paint the image of the cat. Let's draw it. In the cat location, the cat image. And here let's set up the key event so you can press keys and control the cat. Here. If you press the button, if the button was the up arrow, then the location of the cat moves 20 pixels up. If the key was, then the location of the cat moves 20 pixels down. If it was the left arrow, then the cat location moves 20 pixels left. And if it was the right arrow, the cat location moves 20 pixels to the right. And now let's run it. You can compile it with this line, or you can use the GUI for the DMD compiler. In the description you will find the link to download it. Let's compile it and run it to test it. There it is. We can move it, but it leaves a trail behind. We have to wipe the window at each turn. So here we're gonna tell it to clear the window with the color blue, so it wipes the previous image of the cat. Let's compile it. Now there it is. We can move